All right. Good morning, students. I hope you all are good. And today we are going to discuss sequence and series. So let us start our class. Before going to start, let us close our eyes and then we'll start the prayer. And meanwhile, check whether clarity is good or not and the voice is good or not. So firstly, check and inform to me. If everything is good, just inform to me good so that we can start. Firstly, I'm not finding any reply whether it is good or not, voice is good or not, clarity is good or not. Good. Okay. All right. So today, first before going to our class, let us close our eyes and we pray. God kindly provide your knowledge and wisdom to solve our mathematics problems and our daily life problems. Thank you, God. Right. So now we just understand what is sequence, what is series. So sequence means a definite order it is following, then that is called as a sequence. And what is series? So this order having some mathematical operations like plus, minus, and such, then we can call that as a series. Okay. Now in this class we are going to discuss what is arithmetic progression. So yesterday I was given for you that exercise number 1 as homework. So now I'm going to start that after exercise number 2, arithmetic progression we are going to discuss. AP, arithmetic progression, AP. Okay. So what is arithmetic progression means a sequence which is in the form of A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN is there. Then in that sequence we can call it as arithmetic progression. Here common difference D is equal to same. So difference is nothing but common difference should be same. Okay. So here common difference should be same, then only it is called as arithmetic progression. Okay. So how it is going to be means A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. Okay. So such kind of sequence we can call it as a arithmetic progression. It is your general form. GF. GF means it is general form. Okay. So our general form here it is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. It's called as general form of arithmetic progression. So once again, we'll discuss here what is sequence. Sequence means it follows some order, then that is called as a sequence. So and what is series? If in the sequence if it is connected with any mathematical operation, then that is called as series. Now let us see here it is what is arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. So if anything in the form of A1, A2, A3 and so on AN, then that is called as arithmetic progression. Here where D should be or we can say common difference should be the same. And general form of arithmetic progression is A comma, A plus D comma, A plus 2D comma, A plus 3D and so on. Now what is your nth term? AN is equal to first term that is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is your nth term formula. So you can write here nth term. So, and the term of AP, which I think you are already studied in your 10th class. So, nth term of AP, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, that you have to remember. Now, If it is last term, how to find? Last term also a plus n minus 1 into d. And now, if I need to find, so this nth term we can call it as last term also. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 is equal to L. L is nothing but last term. So if you want, I will write here last term is equal to L. So now how to find sum of these all? See now, arithmetic progression will form. What is arithmetic progression means? If anything in the form of A1, A2, A3 and so on, An, then the common difference should be same is there, then that is called as arithmetic progression. So now what I am going to do here is I want to find sum of all these terms, sum of arithmetic progression terms. So that is, we can write here Sn, that is nothing but summation of n terms. S is what? Summation of n terms. Okay. All right. Now do good morning. Right, everyone. Good morning. Okay. So summation of all the n terms is equal to, so n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. These are the important formulas, important points which you are going to remember before going to start our examples and exercise. So I hope so you all got all answers of your exercise number 1. So let us see now in this. So now here, what is yes? Summation of n terms. Suffix n meaning it is summation of n terms. That is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is your formula. So now, this, if I want in last term, first term form, then we can write Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus L. So what is meaning of this? It is sum of n terms is equal to L is nothing but here whichever terms are there n upon 2 first term plus last term. First term is A, last term is L. Okay? Last term L means what is formula here? So your nth term only, your last term formula also. A plus n minus 1 into D. So this you have to remember. So I hope you all understood what is this. So arithmetic progression, we can say that if anything in the form of A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN means any sequence in the form of A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN, where the common difference should be the same, then that is called as, we will say as arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. Now, so now what is GF? GF is nothing but it is good friend nut. So it is GF is nothing but it is general form. Okay, general form is A comma A plus B comma A plus 2B comma A plus 3D and so on. Now nth term formula is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This nth term we also call as last term L. Okay, so now if then if only n terms and then first term they given and common difference is given, then how to find sum of n terms? Sum of n terms is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, if first term and say last term is given, how to find that? So then Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus l. So you have to remember these three formulas 1, 2, 3. If these three formulas, if you remember, whichever I am going to teach today, it becomes very easy for you. Okay? Let us start now solving the problems. I hope you all understood the introduction. If you are understood, just keep this thumb symbol in the comment so that I can understand whether you are understood or not. So inform to me that. Let me see whether how many people are keeping that thumb symbol. Let me see that. So you check in the comment section. So where the thumb symbol is there, use it so that I can understand whether you are understood or not. Okay, very good. Okay, I form now. So now we are going to discuss our example problems. Then we will go for our textbook exercise problems. So now question I'll write, then I will solve the problem. Okay, right. So we have only 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes, we have to complete how much possible. So example number 4, in AP, if mth term is n and nth term is m, where m is not equal to n, find pth term. Oh, wonderful question it is. So just concentrate what was being given and we will understand it. So here it is in AP, if mth term is n and then nth term is m, where is one student is left, who is that? Who is having a problem that? So 7 students only found now, 8 students total should be. So mine it will be 2 students. Right. Here now mth term is n. That means am mth term is equal to, you know that what is an formula, you know? We know an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, what is am? Mth term means n plus we need to write n. So a plus, so n plus what I need to write m minus 1 into d. Now, mth term, how much they said? Mth term is n. So wherever am is there, you need to substitute n. N is equal to a plus m minus 1 into d. Here you can write, since a m is equal to n. This is the given in your question. So now, after writing this part, let us go for second also. What is this? Nth term is m. So nth term formula is this. So write down here itself. So a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then what is nth term? They said m. So write m is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here write since am is equal to m. This is the given in your question. So once again understand clearly. You have nth term formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. So now what I am doing here it is, first I am writing nth term. What is nth term general formula? Am is equal to a plus m minus 1 into d. Now same method, a1 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. After writing this, mth term they given as n, so that written n. Here nth term given as n, so that written here m. So now that is you got now these two formulas. After for that purpose, what I am going to do is first I'll write this and next I'll write this. So you can write any one, this or this. So I'm trying to write the first one here. So this is your equation number 1. And this is your equation number 2. Let me write equation number 2 here. So m is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Subtract both. Minus plus symbol so that minus, here plus symbol so that minus. So now n minus m is equal to, just I am doing subtraction, n minus m. Next, plus a minus a get cancelled. So in this place d is common. D is common. Then m minus 1 minus n minus into minus plus 1. So now directly I was multiplied here. Once again understand. Here n minus 1. Here symbol change, that is minus. So that sign you are applying to the bracket. Minus n minus into minus plus 1. So now minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So what you are going to get? So n minus m is equal to m minus n into d. So now let's take here this side. So here it is multiplying comes to a division. So now here minus common. When I common here minus m minus n upon your multiplication comes to your division, so that m minus n is equal to d. Both get cancelled, you get d as minus 1. So d value minus 1 you got. Once again understand clearly now. I was done subtraction here. So first here n minus m. Next plus a minus a get cancelled. Next m minus 1 minus n minus into minus plus 1. So now d is common. So now minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. M minus n here. So now here m minus n is multiplying. Go to that side division so that in the denominator. And this part minus common so that written as n minus n. Both get cancelled. You get answer as 1. So d is equal to minus 1. Now d is equal to minus 1. I will substitute in the equation number 2. So let me write here equation number 3. So now 3 into 3 into. Now m is equal to a plus n minus 1 into what is d now? D is what? Minus 1. So substitute that minus 1. So now I am substituting here minus 1. So m is equal to a minus 1 into n minus n minus into minus plus 1 1 1. Clear up to here. So now I want which value? A value. Then remaining two terms send here. So m minus n comes to here plus n. So plus 1 comes to here minus 1 is equal to a. Clear? So we found now a value, b value. Then finding fifth term is very easy. So now here, how to got your a? Just substitute d is equal to minus 1 in this equation number 2. So then wherever d is there in this place, substitute minus 1. Then a plus n into minus 1, that is minus n, minus into minus plus 1 1 is 1. Now here I want only a value, so whichever here is there, send to another side. Minus n comes as plus n, and then when plus 1 go to that side minus 1, so that a value you got. Now a value you know, b value you know. So let me write here 3 and this as 4. So now put 3 and 4 in okay, equation I was not given. Okay, in so directly I write now. Pth term is AP. So pth term I need to find. So whenever suffix n plus we need to write p. That is equal to a plus p minus 1 into d. You are understood this? See here, nth term is this. Pth term means wherever n is there, substitute p. So now a plus p minus 1 into d. Now what I will do, just check carefully. So that ap is equal to, that means a suffix p. That is pth term is equal to, a means what do you know? M plus n minus 1. Here a is there, just substitute it. M plus n minus 1. Next, plus p minus 1 into d is how much they said? Minus 1. Just substitute that minus 1. Anyhow, here I will write this part. Plus p minus 1 into minus 1. Okay? So now this pth term is equal to m plus n minus 1. Now, minus 1 into p, minus into minus, plus 1. So, plus 1, minus 1 get cancelled. So, pth term is equal to m plus n. And what is left here? Minus p. I hope you all understood this. Anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now itself. See here, again I am explaining to you, understand clearly. What they given? If mth term is n, that means am is equal to m regular, and nth term is m, that means am is equal to m regular. I need to find pth term. If I need to find that, first I need to find what is my first term, what is my difference. So now for finding that, first am is equal to n written, then a as it is plus n minus 1 into d. Next, nth term is an means this is the given as m, so that m is equal to general form. These two just subtracted, you got as d value. Once if you get d value, substitute the d value any one of the equation. I was chosen this second one and substituted. I got then a value. So d and a value once you get what is AP? AP is equal to that is means p to turn is equal to a plus p minus 1 into d because nth term means a plus n minus 1 into d. Pth term means a plus p minus 1 into d. When a and d values substitute, you get answer as n plus n minus p. I hope you all understood. So if you are understood, just say to me that is you are understood. Yes, sir, you can say so that I can understand. So let us go for next. Done? Understood. Okay. So let me go for next. So very simple one. Don't get any tension in this. So slowly you can, if you are still feeling difficult method, just you can pause this video and then you can understand this all. Okay. So I think only Garima sent a done message reminding I don't know.